Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, yet some of you may find it difficult to eat the correct foods. Discover these 9 nutrient-dense foods and beverages to help you wake up with more energy. Number 6 will make you tremble. 1. Eggs. Eggs are at the top of the list when it comes to nutritious breakfast meals. They're a wonderful protein-rich snack that can aid in blood sugar regulation. They're also high in vitamins and minerals, which can help you meet your daily nutrient requirements. 2. Bananas. Bananas are a terrific breakfast food since the simple sugars inside can provide you a boost of energy to help you start the day. However, because they are high in potassium, it is best to combine them with other foods to get the most health advantages. 3. Oatmeal. This traditional breakfast option will not let you down. Ground oats are high in fiber, which can help control cholesterol levels. Furthermore, the antioxidants found within are beneficial to your heart's health. 4. Coffee. Caffeine, a natural stimulant, is abundant in this popular beverage, which can help you get an energetic start on your day. It also assists you in concentrating and doing better at work. However, because it is devoid of calories and protein, you should pair it with other carbohydrates for a balanced meal. 5. Nuts. Nuts are another satiating food to include in your diet. They're also high in antioxidants, which can help to lower your risk of heart disease and cancer. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is creamier than regular yogurt and has a lot of protein, which can aid your metabolism. Furthermore, the prebiotics included within are advantageous to your immune system. To improve the flavor, add some berries on top. 7. Chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, boosting satiety thanks to their high soluble fiber content. They also aid in the maintenance of normal bowel movements and the reduction of constipation. 8. Whole grain bread. If you enjoy toast, switch to whole grain bread from time to time. It has more fiber than refined white bread, which is good for your heart. It also contains more antioxidants that help you to age healthily. 9. Green tea. Green tea, like coffee, includes caffeine, which can help you stay focused at work. It's also high in EGCG, an antioxidant that benefits in weight loss and inflammation reduction. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment about what is the best breakfast for you. Do not forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends.